guys, how you guys are doing? Thank you so much for joining my channel. Naturally Me Dion here again with another video. Okay, now I know y'all know that I really don't do my natural hair videos the way I used to, but I'm trying to kind of get back in the move of things or whatnot. But this one here leaves me no choice. I couldn't really do what I was going to do to my hair without really posting a video about it. I mean, that's what I do, right? So I decided that today I'm not gonna do my makeup, okay? So don't look for me to be cute on the outer look, you know, when I'm done with the video and the finished look. No, you won't see straight bare face, okay? So what I'm going to do today is something that I rarely don't do, but my hair needs some attention, right? I mean, not really, but I need it to be kind of like still, because if I don't do something with this, it's gonna get dried out. I know that for sure. So I already washed my hair. I just took my braids out. I have a little problem here, as you guys see right here. I ain't mad at it, you know what I'm saying? But I ain't finna just show it. Like, who does that? But like I told you guys before, in my hair videos when I was making them regularly, I always go to Jamaican black castor oil, which is right here. And I really like this oil. I've been using this oil for a long time. And whenever I have like a situation like, girl, I'm gonna, first off, before I even do this, but look, I'm gonna prep my hair to get ready to receive that oil, and I'm just gonna use this spray bottle. Make sure it's on the spray for real. Let's see. You know, I don't really use spray bottles, right? Because I had my hair in braids, and it's not really nobody's fault that this happened but mine, because I kept it up too long. I'm not gonna soak my edges, just a tad bit, get some water in there. I ain't worried about it because I know I can grow it back. So if I couldn't grow it back, okay, I would have an issue. So I'm just gonna put a little bit in my, oh, that's too much, just too much. That's too much. Just gonna pull some of that back, okay? Because I mean, I don't use it like that. So I just got a little bit in my hand, which that is way too much right here. And did you see it? So I'm just gonna take it and put it in like this. Gonna kind of massage it into my scalp, just the outer perimeter. Mixing no products and all that. Just, it's something out there already. You know, already prepped for me. So I'm just gonna give this a nice massage. And also something else that I got that I really like to use, and it might be good to use it at this point. I'm gonna show you. So guys, right here is a scalp massager, and I ordered this from Amazon. All right, so this will be the perfect time to use it. I try to use it when I'm shampooing my hair. It's cool or whatnot, but it ain't like no, oh my God, it feels so good. But it do make my brain kind of shift a little bit. But I mean, you know, I think it probably worked better when my hair is dry and it's going for the spot. So I think it's out of batteries. Oh, well, is it out of batteries or? I don't know. Houston, we have a problem. I do this first one here. My mom calling me, okay? So you know how that is. This corona got people scared, and it's creepy. So you gotta, you know, nurture your parents too during this time. If you know what I mean. So I'm just gonna twist this 2-strand twist my hair. Okay, so I'm just gonna start off with this one. And my hair is real lengthy, so now I can't really let it stay like this, because the great thing that saved me is when I flat iron my hair, right? When I silk pressed it out, it kind of gave me some hang time, stretch time. So kind of, I like that. I like the fact that it did that. Look, girl, I got some different color little curls in there, girl. So I'm just gonna twist this out. And I'm gonna keep this up as long as possible, okay? At least until my edges come back, okay? Because I've really gotten lazy when it come down to my hair. It's not that I don't want to take care of my hair. I love my hair. I just get tired. You know what I'm saying? And I have so much to do. I work a lot. But now, since I'm gonna try to do my twist. I mean, maybe I shouldn't do them big. Maybe I should keep them going small, but I really don't want them too small, because I don't like nothing in my hair small, because like I said, this hair is thick and it takes time putting it up and it takes time taking it down. So I did get this working. Y'all seen me on the phone massaging this hair, so I ain't gonna even go there with y'all, okay? So ooh, look, a lot has changed, man. A lot has changed with me and natural hair. I just don't do it no more. It's not like I don't care about it. Just, I don't really talk about hair much unless y'all ask me to, because it's so many people talking about hair and it's the same thing, you know, that they say the same thing, you know, use rice water and this and that. I watch some of their videos, you know, to help myself out sometimes. So I'm just gonna separate it with my hands, with my fingers or whatnot. And I think this piece needs to be, well, I need to add some more from up here. Yeah. But anyway, it's so many people, you know, talking about hair. You know, you got folk that's licensed to do hair on there. Natural. I ain't never heard of, you know, licensed naturalist. But anyway, let me stop. I'm not doing nothing. But anyway, I don't really get on there like that talking about hair, because it's not like it's a problem, but it's y'all got so much hair. It's not like, it's like beauty school, you know. Well, finding somebody to do your hair. Like, I was always told, you don't go to several stylists. You go to one and you don't cheer hop, right? You don't cheer hop. So what I'm doing, what the situation is, what I'm doing right now is I'm using the, okay. This is the Cantu natural hair coconut curling cream. I'm using this on my hair, okay? Before I put this in, I'm using the oil, which is the tea tree and jojoba oil. I hope I'm saying it right. Jojoba hair scalp oil, okay? And this is really good for, it says it helps protects against breakage. It's a conditioning, it's good for conditioning the scalp, you know, and it's real good for increasing hair growth. Let's see. I didn't get it for all those reasons. I got it because tea tree oil was in it. So I'm just gonna put this on my scalp. Guys, I can't seal with no oil. I'm sorry, but I don't seal with no oil. You know, it works for people. I don't do that. I just seal with, you know, I'm gonna use a thick cream to seal with. Now I'm gonna use this Cantu. I'm gonna put this cream here. I'm gonna aim on my ends here, and I'm gonna work it up like this. I'm just basic when it comes down to this, because what I do has worked for my hair for years. I mean, since I've been natural, and I cut my hair like yesterday and it grew right back quicker than the people who seal with oils. Nothing. I'm saying I'm playing. Okay. But I'm just saying I don't know why it works like that. But I do like using the Carrot's Daughter if I'm gonna seal. If you want to talk about oil, because this is like this is a styling butter. It's really good and it's kind of softer. So I really do like this stuff here. It's really nice, and it only takes a little bit because it's super duper thick. Okay. So what I do is when I use this product, I aim for my ends and I work that on up. And it's gonna have your hair kind of white because it's a thick substance and it has to get into the hair. And I just take my Tangle Teaser. I like using this because it helps strengthens and straighten the hair a little bit so that you'll get a smooth twist. You know, it can be real smooth. So that's how that is. I'm just talking to you guys a little bit right now. And then I'm just gonna stop the camera and come back when I'm finished. I just need to get it kind of halfway done. Gonna see if Halisha help me finish it because it's a lot. She like twisting and I don't. So, Halisha, you wanna help me twist? I can't sit here and just do my hair I can't sit here and twist all day. I can't. I don't do that. So you just twist the back. Alright. You twist this part, stop when you get in up here. Cause I'm probably do something to kind of stop the it ain't gonna be no twist all over. Right here. No. I ain't finna deal with all that. No. I'm not dealing with no twist all over my head. I ain't doing it. No. Leave that for other people to do. I ain't got time for that. It's something else. It's a style or something I can do. Yeah, that hurt hard. Look, to use this detangler there, put that in. Still work? Yeah, that still work. Shoot, just come on now, put some more in there. You gotta be stingy. Okay, come on. Yeah, you get some water too. Get some water. You know, to help that out a little bit and moisten it, soften it. I ain't put it all the way up. I just put it back in. Yeah, just soften it up. Yeah, not tiny, but like this, okay? Because I don't have time. I don't have time to be sitting here playing with this hair. I don't have time. So what I feel, y'all think is weird, right? Talk about me later. What I feel about my hair, I mean, you can do whatever works for you, you know what I'm saying? Your hair grows, you know, but what I've been doing, you know, this way, they can call it the Mr. Way. How you gonna tell me how to do my hair? You know what I'm saying? You can watch other people all day, but you ain't finna tell me how to do my hair. I always tell people, just do what works for you. Long as you remember to comb at the ends and work your way up, girl. You can't go wrong. I'm definitely gonna do something that's gonna make this thing, you know, make it not so that I be in here all day fooling with this. I'm not finna do it. No, I can't do that because this here will be now. So this gonna have to definitely come down this way, and I'm just let the rest probably fall. But
I'll braid it up from the side.
Yeah, I can't braid it up from the side. That ain't gonna work. Yeah, I'm balding on them edges, honey. But by the time I take these twists out, girl, them edges are gonna shake back. Now, if they don't shake back, I just made a fool of myself, girl. But that's okay. It happens to everybody. I believe that it will shake back. I mean, I believe I'm gonna get my edges back. I mean, shoot, I don't want nobody to be like, she ain't got no edges. She ain't got no edges. Cause I be making those TikTok videos, be like, she ain't got no edges. It's gonna be sad because I'm gonna have to really find the people and hurt them. Guys, I will be back to you when I am finished. Oh Lord. So I'm done with my hair. As you guys see. I'm gonna turn around, let you guys see. Alicia did this. Okay? Ooh. I like it. It's cool. I like it. Okay? One thing I do, like, this is pretty much, it's still wet and hydrated. Okay? So what I'm gonna do is just kind of take it and put like a pin, some pins up here. Just kind of pull it out of my face. And put 2 pins over. Just to keep the hair out of my face. You know why it dries? I feel like I need some jingly earrings. Like I ain't gonna be able to wear these little studs no more for a little minute. Because I need something that's gonna compliment my face now. Cause my hair got a lot of, it is really cute now that I put it up. I'm like, okay girl, where you been? Where you been? Hey. But yeah, so I did use these products, the Cantu products or whatnot. Did use these. This is a really nice detangler, you know, but honestly, I don't know if y'all see that. What is this? This is the coconut curling cream. I like that, and I also like the castor now. This castor here, this is bomb.com. I do like it. And you guys know that I use the castor oil. There we go. So I use the Cantu. Then I use the Cantu detangler. Ooh, hair everywhere. Detangler. Alright. And then I use this Cantu Shea Butter Tea Tree jojoba, okay, oil, and this is the hair and scalp oil. So, and then you guys already know that I use this. You know I was having an issue with the battery, but hey, it is what it is. It works. And that was pretty much all I did. For me to show you or bring more hair videos to you. I have no problem with doing that, but I only will make it if you tell me to make it, because I just feel that you don't need me to do that, because there's so many people are out there that are giving you guys great ideas. But I understand if you want to hear, you know, from a professional, you know, licensed master cosmetologist. Okay, I just thought maybe. Thank you guys for watching though. If you guys want to know anything else, want to see anything about the natural hair, let me know. Girl, look at that girl. Look, she can twist some hair, girl. I can't twist my own hair. It's too much. Especially, you know, oh girl, I just like the way it fall. You know what I'm saying? Like, if I did this myself, it wouldn't have been this small. Y'all see where I would, you see the parts I done. Bye guys, thank you so much for watching my channel. Give me a big thumbs up, okay? Let me know what you want to see next. If you guys want to see another natural hair video or whatnot. Right now my thighs is hurting, girl. Done got to working out. I'm finna go give me something to eat. It's time for me to eat. I'm hungry. Okay, so toodles. Bye. I love you.